When selecting a virtual instrument, it's important to note that while you can actually have multiple instruments on one track, only one of them is automatically routed to that instrument track. So, for starters, I'm going to eliminate my insert and start over again. If you click in the inserts A through E, and then go to multi-channel plugin, you'll scroll down to instrument. And in the instrument field, you'll see a whole world of options. These will be specific to how many virtual instruments you have loaded on your system. So there may be some limitation here. Mine also includes rewire options that connect to scoring or notation software such as Sibelius and other DAWs such as Reason. I'm going to open up the Super 8. The virtual instrument is the audio engine that's responsible for sending out audio output to your device. And so it can be represented in a number of ways. A virtual instrument could be made up of samples that some sort of organization built and captured in the studio, cut up, and then dropped into this plugin engine. Or it could be a series of oscillators, and that's what you're seeing here. I see oscillator 1 and oscillator 2. And depending on what the device is meant to do, it's important to keep track of the fact that not all of the virtual instruments are designed to play successfully right out of the gate. You can purchase additional plugins through Native Instruments for virtual instruments, and these are far more complex. And at times, if we choose a specific instrument, we'll realize that there is a specific range that's associated with it. So if for an example, if I were to select some stringed instruments, you'll notice that there's a limited range for the performance on these string instruments. So not all the keys on my keyboard are going to work effectively with this MIDI patch or with this virtual instrument. So we have to be mindful of that. A lot of times you can see down here the color-coded. A lot of times that means that something specific happens that's different between playing in these keys, and there might not even be any key range functionality at the top.